moving forward, partial inspection time. Well, this video is going to show the front half of the car, underneath what we got going on. Pretty damn nice. Pretty damn nice. So here we are underneath Steve's 69 Monterey. It's got definitely surface patina because it did come from, I believe, Iowa or some Midwestern state, but it doesn't look like there's any road salt patina as much as there is just sitting in a barn patina. There is a front end little rattly rattle that Steve wants me to find, amongst other things. But looking around so far, in the whole 30 seconds I've been under here, the tie rod ends have recently been greased. The shocks have been replaced, which we already knew about. The actual originals are in the trunk. The bushings are actually in very good shape for their age. It had a Napa Gold filter on it. The sticker actually just came off, which isn't bad. I mean, we've got a Motorcraft going on. Just patina, all kinds of stuff. A little bit of... There was some coolant flow. They threw a modern style hose clamp on it. Solved that leak, it looks like. And you really can't see that one, so I ain't too worried about it. It's got fresh fuel line here on the inlet. Not hard, nice Dayco stuff. Belts are old, but look really good, and well, there isn't really that much to turn with the belts because it's just power steer or an alternator, and that's all she wrote. Brake lines look to have been replaced sometime in the modern times. Check that out. Markings. Love seeing markings. Markings and patina. This is a bit of wire Steve was talking about here. Let me get in here and take a gander. Oh, that's just safety wire, which is correct for the caliper bracket. That's actually how it's supposed to be, but I don't think it's supposed to be routed that way. It needs to be ran together, not around, which would definitely cause part of our rattle. So we'll probably redo this safety wire. Because these should be torqued and then safety wired to one another, but not around the outside. Steve just got these tires on it too. Let's see what else we got here. No leaks of any major anything really. Just surface patina. I might take the grease gun with the little needle and try to get a little grease in here later. But definitely recently greased, recently serviced. I'm impressed. Again, safety wire. Need to go take a gander at that. Maybe rework that. Gotta find this rattle for Steve too. Moving back here to the trans. Gasket is damp. Pan's a little damp. Typical of automatics of the era. Moving camera. Sorry. Damn. Just original. Nice, clean. I mean, besides patina, of course, there's no sludge, slime, nasty, greasy, gross nonsense. Exhaust is actually solid. Even though it's got a little rust on it. The heater box could probably use a new seal. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Might want to address that in the future. Or not. We live in the desert. Don't really use the heat. And it doesn't have air, so that's up to you, Steve. We'll talk about that later. Let's go down here. Slide back a little more. Undercoat. Looks pretty damn nice, boys and girls. I'm gonna go back about as far as I can. Good old Ford 9-inch back there. She's got a 9er, boys. We'll be servicing that here in a little bit. Just basically changing the fluid. We'll cover the back half of the car here when we get back there. And looking good from what we've seen so far.